Changzhou Weon M-Star Technology Company Limited was founded in January 2014. It has a total investment of 150 million renminbi and covers an area of about 25,000 square meters. The company is located in the industrial park of Jibu Town, Jintan District, Shangzhou City, Jingzhou Province at the foot of the Maoshan Mountain. The place is famous for its outstanding people, natural resources, beautiful environment, and convenient transportation. Weon is one of the high-tech companies specializing in R&D, production and sale of PTFE, environmental protection, new materials. Up to now, the company has more than 20 advanced production lines and equipments for PTFE yarn, PTFE stable fibers, PTFE scrim, and PTFE filter bags. The annual output is 3 million square meters of PTFE scrim, 1,000 tons of PTFE stable fiber, and 200,000 pure PTFE filter bags. Our products mainly include PTFE yarn, PTFE stable fiber, PTFE scrim, PTFE filter bags, and so on. These products are mainly used for dust and flue gas purification in waste incineration, iron and steel metallurgy, thermal power generation, and other industries. These products are exported to the United States, Germany, Portugal, Japan, India, and other international markets with good social and economic benefits and environmental protection effects. Weon fully implements ISO 9001 Quality Management System and ISO 14001 Environment Management System since 2016. The company and Shanghai Donghua University, to carry out industry-university research cooperation, set up a research and development team composed of 8 doctors and postgraduates, master the industry's advanced production technology to ensure the quality of products can achieve the advanced level of this industry. Honor comes from the heart. Each recognized certification of qualification is the cohesion of the Weon Star struggle. Each honor is a roadmap, a journey. Weon will also start with each honor, constantly enterprising beyond the self, harmony with everything, and coexist with heaven and earth. Weon sincerely looks forward to cooperating with you.